Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the headphone jack. So we do have a lot of confusion on this matter and we need to iron out some of the details. Now originally we knew that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro are not going to have headphone jacks, and this was based on leaks from Ice Universe, one of our reliable leaksters, and we also have had some case renders that were leaked, actually some actual cases that were leaked and posted to the internet that also showed that there was no cutout for a headphone jack both on the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. But the funny thing is I was getting messages from people telling me that I was wrong, that the Note 10 was in fact going to have a headphone jack after all. And of course that confused me and I had to look into the matter, and now what I saw was there's a tweet from Max, who's from XDA, and he actually gave us some details a couple of days ago regarding the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. He gave us a list of 10 items that's going to happen on the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, and here's the tweet. So his tweet reads, "My source got to play with the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. Here's what they say about it." He's saying both of the models he used had headphone jacks. Number 2, the renders are almost perfect. S Pen is almost the same as the Note 9, and the non-Pro model has no micro SD card slot. And then you can also read 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 over there. I'm gonna just paste it to the screen. Just pause and read the rest of the details. So a lot of people saw this leak, and by looking at that number 1, they determined that the headphone jack is gonna be there after all. Samsung is not gonna do this to us. So we do have the headphone jack, but we don't, because the very same person that tweeted this original tweet actually corrected it. So he gave us an update. He says, "Update, the headphone jack was a fake. Samsung added a fake headphone jack to the unit to trick people. It obviously worked. Type-C AKG earbuds in the box." So by the way, I don't know about the tricking people part by Samsung, but clearly the headphone jack was a fake. His source must have played with the incorrect Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro. But again, like I said, based on various previous reliable leaks, we knew that there's not going to be a headphone jack on the Note 10 or the Note 10 Pro. But in this leak, he does give us something very useful. He says Type-C AKG earbuds in the box. So of course, some of us were wondering, are we going to get the Samsung Galaxy earbuds in the box, the wireless Bluetooth earbuds? That's not going to happen, unfortunately. Most likely you'll get that part of a pre-order deal for free, but you're not going to get them free in the box, in the retail box of the Note 10. Looks like we're getting the Type-C AKG earbuds. That's going to be wired. So of course that's going to be a little bit disappointing for some people, and I'll be honest with you guys, I thought that we were going to get the wireless earbuds in the box as a good gesture by Samsung. Also looking at the fact that the price on these Note devices is going to be very high, over $1,000. But that's it. No headphone jack, all right? Type-C AKG earbuds in the box. So drop comments down below and let me know what you guys think. And for now guys, have a fantastic day. This was a quick update for you. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.